Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pickled daikon. First, select one large daikon radish, wash it well and peel away the skin. Next, slice the daikon into thin, uniform rounds aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. You can also cut it into matchsticks if you prefer. After slicing, lightly salt the daikon and let it rest for about 30 minutes. This step helps remove excess water, ensuring a crispier pickle. Now let's prepare our flavorful pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rice vinegar, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Stir in 2 teaspoons of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which also gives a lovely golden hue. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, stirring continuously until all the sugar and salt have fully dissolved. It's crucial to let the brine cool completely to room temperature before moving to the next step. Once your daikon has rested, rinse it thoroughly under cold water to remove excess salt, then pat it completely dry with a clean towel. This ensures the best texture. Carefully pack the dried daikon slices into a clean, sterilized glass jar, making sure they are snug. Now, pour the cooled pickling brine over the daikon, ensuring all pieces are fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly and refrigerate it for at least 24 hours. 2 to 3 days is even better for flavor development. Your homemade pickled daikon is now ready to enjoy. It offers a delightful balance of tangy, sweet, and slightly salty flavors with a satisfying crisp texture. This versatile condiment pairs wonderfully as a side dish with grilled meats, in rice bowls, or alongside your favorite Asian-inspired meals. Stored in the refrigerator, it will maintain its freshness and flavor for up to 2 to 3 weeks. This easy recipe yields approximately 2 cups of delicious, homemade pickled daikon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.